So in the previous class, we have seen that what is the storage section search sequence. Okay, so how the system is going to search for the storage section. So is there any doubt in the previous class, whatever we have discussed until previous class? Is there any doubt? So everyone have completed until that? A few people are a little behind, I know. Okay, please do practice. Okay, or else it will be very tough. Okay, later on you have to see the video, then only you can able to do. Like that it will going to happen. Now also it is happening for few, so please don't do that. Okay, so try hard, practice little faster. Okay, so today we're going to discuss about the bin determination. Okay, bin determination. See what we have seen. First, it is about the storage section. Storage type. Okay, first it is about the storage type. Okay, so we have seen how it is going to identify the storage type. Then based upon the storage type, we can able to do the what is that? We can able to put the product in the if let us consider we are having for material one, we are having a ST01 and ST02. Okay, so when it will going to search for ST01, if it is not finding any bins over there, then it will go to the ST02. Like that it is happening. Okay, then what we have defined under ST01, we have sections. Okay, under ST01 we have sections. What section I have under ST01? Section 1 is there and section 2 is there. So first it will go for the ST01. The product means the material will move over here. It will going to search whether section 1 is there, because we have the indicator, section indicators. So in the section 1 means section indicator we have assigned, but that particular section it is not available in the ST01. Then it will go to the ST02, whether again it will going to search for the section indicator, whether whatever the rule we have given, whether it is satisfying or not. If it is satisfying, then only the material will going to move here, or else again no. Okay, so that is what it is. It was happening. Okay, now we are going in depth again. Okay, see here we are looking at the section level only, but here it is going towards the bin determination, means it is going little deep towards the bins. Okay, where we will going to determine the search sequence based upon the bin type. What is bin type again? What is bin type? I'll show you. Let me show you so that you can tell about that. Okay. Master data. Bin types. What is bin types?
Yeah, we have created bin type.
No, you have right. What is this actually? You have already know about this. Okay, फिर open करता हूँ. अभी बताओ. What is this bin type means?
Okay, yeah. We have defined for high moving, low moving kind
No,
of.
no. वो section है. Bin type is nothing but, okay, what we have defined, I'll show you. Okay. So we have defined BT0 and something like that. We have defined about the KZs. Okay. So bin type is nothing but it is the characteristic of the bin. I have defined it, right? So characteristic, it is telling about the characteristic of particular bin. So I have defined 20 kg bin, 50 kg bin in the, see, BT01, I have assigned it to, we will going to see for which thing I have assigned this BT01, for which particular storage type I have assigned BT02, like that we have to check now. Okay. So this is important as of now. Okay. I'll just open the MDA screen. Where we can check it? Can anybody tell me?
It means size, weight, volume.
Yes,
right?
yes. No, that is correct. Like it is the characteristic of the bin. Where we can check, we have assigned it to particular storage type.
Yeah, okay. Structure.
No, yeah, you are right. Okay, in the structure you can see, or else go to the LS11. There you can check it. Okay.
Particular bin level.
Yes. Okay. /n/SCWM/LS11. Go to the LS11. Here you can able to see where which bin type it is assigned to a particular storage type. Okay. So I have given the ST01. Just execute this. See here BT01 I have assigned. Okay. So just keep this in mind. Okay. And I'll go to the storage type 2. I can see some BT02 is assigned here. Okay. We'll go back. I have to check the section as well, because we are defining the section check as well as the section 1 is there, BT01 is there, section 2 is there, BT02 is there in the ST02. Okay. Only between these two only I'll going to do the activity. Okay. So we're going to check only material 1 and we're going to see this how it will going to vary. Okay. So now we have checked. Okay, BT01 is there in the ST01 and section 1 is there in the ST01. In ST02 we have checked that, or else I'll show it again. Okay, in ST01 you can see that section 1 is there throughout the whatever the how many bins are there, and BT01 is there for this particular thing. BT01 means what? Maximum it can hold 20 kgs like that. So this is what the structure is. Okay, we have. Go back. I'll show you the ST02 पे क्या क्या है. Okay, so in this ST02 you can see section 2 is there and BT02 is there, means maximum 50 kgs of weight we can able to put into this. Okay, so now what I'll do, I have to see the bin determination criteria. What is this bin determination? How we will going to manage it? Okay, that one I have to show you. So go to the SPRO IMG. In that SCM EWM extended warehouse management. Under that, go to the goods receipt process strategies. See, we have seen storage type search, storage section search. Next thing is the storage bin determination. Okay, just go here. Here again it is asking for the storage bin types, whether we have defined the defined storage bin types or not. It is already defined, right? So in the master data, see, it is again saying, 1 minute, I'll just close this previous one so that we can enter into that. Okay, this is the same thing. This is the same thing what it is explaining here. Define storage bin type. Same. Okay, the same node they have kept it here. Okay, if you are opening this, again same things will going to open. We have already defined this for 1100. This is the warehouse. For this we have defined BT01, BT02, 3 and 4 like that we have defined. Okay, so this step is done. Second step, alternate storage bin type sequence it is there. Okay, I will tell you what is this alternate bin type sequence, but right now don't worry about this. Okay, once I'll going to explain about the complete scenario of the what is that bin type, then we'll go for the alternate storage bin type. Okay, then assign storage bin types to the storage types is there. Okay, so once I'll go here, it is again going for some storage type only. Okay, some storage type is there. So in that storage type, what is the bin type like that? It is asking. I'll just remove these things. Okay, they are the earlier ones.
Sri, you have started recording, correct?
Yeah, it is recording. Yeah. Okay. If I go to the new entries, okay, here warehouse number I will going to put. My warehouse number is 1100. Storage type, for a particular storage type I'm giving ST01. Which bin type you have seen there?
BT01 and BT02.
No. For ST01, which bin type you have seen?
BT01.
Okay, I'll give BT02. Okay, just for okay, or else first we're going to give BT01. Then we can change the things and we can see how it will going to happen. Okay, 1100 ST02. I'll give BT02. Okay, then save it. You can able to do it over here. Okay, you can able to do it over here, or you have to open the product master. Okay, /n/SCWM/MAT1. Okay, product master you open here, 1100 mat1. Go to the change, go to the storage type. Okay, storage type data. Here you have the storage bin type. Okay, first you have given, see, if you are opening this one, what is this? If it is ST01, if it is ST01, material 1 is going. If it is ST01, it will go to the SSI1. SSI1 means what? It will going to search for only section 1 first, then section 2 is the next sequence. Correct now? Then if you are going for the ST02, okay, that is searching for the ST0 means in the ST02 I have assigned section indicator 2. If it is there, then it will going to search for the section 2 first, then it is going to search for the section 1. Here we have defined that also. I'll show you so that you can remember the things. So I'll go for the storage section search. Okay, within that we have maintained storage section search sequence, right? Sequentially searching up of the storage sections. Okay, see here. This is for the section 1. SSI1 is there. First, it will going to search for the section 1. If it is not there, then it will go to the section 2 in the ST01. Okay. But for ST02, what we have defined? First, it is searching for the section 2. Sequence 1 is section 2. If section 2 is not there, I mean, so there is no bin empty, then it will going to move for the section 1. That is the second sequence. Like that we have defined. Okay. Now, although we have the section searches and all, I'm defining the bin types here. Okay, this is further go in the further level we are going and we are asking for the bin type. Specifically, I want to go here and I want to place the product. Like that I am giving here. Okay, so that is why I have assigned the storage bin types here. See, means if it is ST01 and if they have the BT01, then only the material should go to this particular bin, whatever the bin it might be. Okay, and if uh, see, I might provide BT01 for very few bins, and then I may give BT02 for some few bins. Like that also I can able to do. Okay, so in this case, if BT01 is there, then only it should go both in section 1 and section 2, or else it will not go anywhere. In again, if the product is going to the ST02, it should find BT02. If BT02 is not there, then if both things are not there, then it will going to throw the error. Okay, no determination of the final storage like that. If anything is there, then it will going to go and store the products over there. Okay, so that is how it will going to happen. Now I will just go here. See, here also, as I said, here also you can able to put that. Okay. So as of now, I'm not going to put here. I'm just assigned here. I have just assigned here. Okay, let's move with this. Okay, let's move with this. What I'll do, I'll create one inbound delivery, or else I might have created already. We'll just check it. Okay, I'll open the end screen. Okay, I am just opening the PRDI. Okay, I'll go to open the PRDI screen directly. And I think I may have some data here. Just check. If it is completed, then we have to create one more. Okay, so I have brought 5 products here. Okay, so it is nothing is started. See, now goods is it is not started, unloading not started, put away not started, nothing is started yet. Okay, so I will just proceed with this. Anyway, I have defined all the things. Okay, bin types also I have defined for the storage type. So if I go to the SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management, see the path. Okay, goods receipt process, under the strategies, under that you have to go to the bin determination. What we have done, it is already created. Bin define storage bin types, it is already created. So we are seeing the assign storage bin types. Okay, for storage types. Okay, we have already assigned it. Okay, now I will just go inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Which storage type and which storage section and which bin it will go now? Can anybody tell me? Now I am taking this product, right? Which storage type it will go, which storage section it will go, and which storage bin it will go. You have seen the, okay, I'll just show LS11 also. Yes.
First, it will check for ST02.
First, it will going to check for ST02.
Because we have given this that only.
Pardon?
For that material, you have given ST02, right?
No, I have given both the things. Okay, in the product master, I'll show you. /n/scwm/meti1. Okay. I have given both the sequence here. ST01 is also there, ST02 is also there. Yes.
So it will check ST01.
Okay, ST01 is available now. Okay, under that, it will check for the storage section. This section indicator it will going to check means first it will going to check for section 1. Whether section 1 is there or not, we have to check in a LS11. It is there, right? Then it will further go to the bin types. Okay. Then it will going to check for the bin type within the ST01. Whether bin type is there. Yes. Okay. Then which storage section it will go? It will go for the storage type 1, section 1, and bin type 1 is there, so that it will go there. Okay. So I'll just say create now. Okay. See, it is finding section 1. It should be section 1. Okay. So it is going for some bin because all the bins are involving bin type 1 only. Okay. So if you see the log, if you see the message log, it will tell determination of the destination data. Okay. See, we have HU type, it is there, but HU type check is not active in the storage type. So HU type and all I'll going to tell you later because once I'll going to define about the HU, then only I can able to tell that. Okay. But here storage type search with a wildcard, search sequence SCQ1, no rule put away found. Okay, no put away rule found, like that. It is saying, okay, no put away rule is there, so that it is fine. But storage type search sequence SCQ1 found. Okay, SCQ1 we have defined it, correct now? Storage type search sequence.
Yes.
Sequence 1 is there. Under the sequence and what are the storage types are available? ST01 and ST02. And again, see here, it is searching for storage type ST01, storage section SCC1, section 1, bin type BT01. Okay, all these things are it is checking. Okay, then finally, it is showing that split during put away active for the storage type ST01. Split during put away we have given. What is the use of split during put away?
That some quantity splitting.
Yes. If the bin capacity is 20 kg, okay, then I am bringing some 40 kg products over there. What it will going to do? Means 40 kg means I'll be bringing individual products like 20 kg one product and 20 kg another product. Then in the same order also, if you are bringing, one product will go to the one bin and another product will go to another bin if it is having the split during put away. Okay, if you are removing the split during put away, then it will going to search for some different storage types only, which is having that capacity. Okay, so like that. So split during put away is active, but it is suitable for ST01 because we are just bringing 5 products, like maximum 10 kgs, and the bin capacity is 20 kgs there. Okay, so it is bringing the product and it is fitting in this particular storage bin. Okay, so wait, 10 kgs. 10 kg are checked, means maybe 10 kg is already completed within this. So 10 kgs are remaining. So it is checking this 10 kg. Oh, sorry. See, 10 kg what we have brought, but against free capacity is 16 kg. If you are checking this bin, no, ST01, 01, 01, 04. So 16 kgs will be available. Now it is putting next 10 kg within that. I'll show you where we can check that. LS03 will going to check it /n SCWM/LS03. Okay, so what is the bin? ST010104. Okay, so 20 kg is the maximum weight, 4 kg is used. So we can put another 16 kg over here. Correct? So that is what it is saying. 4 kg is used now. So we can able to put another 16 kg. So that is why it is giving this particular solution. Okay. Now this is one. Okay. I'm not going to save it. I'm not going to save it. Okay. I'll say no. Now what I'll do, I'll remove BT01 from this particular thing. Okay. ST01, BT01 is there now. I'll just remove this. Save. Now again new entries. 1100. Storage type ST01. I'm assigning BT02. Okay. Both the way I'm assigning BT02. Now again we'll go here. Execute. Sorry, it is executed. Just go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Now, which storage type it will go and which bin it will go. Sorry, not bin. Which storage section it will go now?
Storage type ST01, section 1, and we'll check BT02.
But BT02 is not there in the storage type 1. I'll show you here. See, all the bins are with the section 1 and bin type 1.
Okay. Then, but okay, I can check the ST02, ST02 and BT02.
ST02.
Declared now for storage type 2 section you have declared, right? Section 1 section.
Storage type, yeah, means storage type 1, if it is there, then it will go for the section search 1.
Indicator 1.
Okay, yeah. Section indicator 1. Okay. If it is ST02, then it will going to search for the section indicator 2. But bin what I have defined there is BT02 for the section 1, sorry, storage type 1, and BT02 for the storage type 2. Okay. But if it's checking entire bins in the storage type 1, there is no BT02 available here. Correct, no? Only BT01 is available here. Am I right? But what I have defined here, I am saying if storage warehouse is this one, storage type if it is ST01, and it should go to the BT02 I am defining. But there is no BT02 in this particular storage type. Getting the idea? ST01 pay, there is no BT02. See here. There is no BT02 is available. All are BT01 only. Correct, no?
Correct.
Yeah. Now,
so it will go search for ST02.
Yeah, it will search for ST02. I'll say create now. And it will go to the section 2 first, then section 1. Okay, that is how we have given. If you see, go down. 1 minute. It is going to the, okay, section 1 only it is going. Okay. Whether I have saved it or not. Or else what we can do, we can able to define it here only. If you are confusing, like array where we are defining and all, okay, just remove these things. Remove this, okay. You can define it here also in the material also. Okay, both things are same only. Okay, so here also you can able to define. So in a storage type 1, what I'll do, BT02 I am giving here. Okay, so I'll say adopt data. Okay, so the same data it is adopted. Now I'll go to the storage type 2. I'm saying BT02 again. Okay, for both the things. Yes.
Sorry, for this material only it is like going for this one.
Yeah, only for this material it is taking. Yes.
And if we are doing that configuration in SPRO, then it will search for all bit type or storage type.
Correct. Okay, but as of now, here you can see for ST01 is there means, okay, it will search for the section 1, okay, and it is asking for the BT02. But BT02 is not there in the entire, what is that, ST01. Okay, in ST01, you go back, ST01 is there, no? In this ST01, if you are searching BT02, it is not at all there. So, what it will do, it will stop searching in this particular storage type, then it will going to search for the next storage type. Okay, in the next storage type, SSI2 is there. Section 2 means what? It is first having the section 2 first. Okay, in this SSI2, it will going to search for the section 2 first, then it will going to search for the section 1. Am I right? Sequence, that is how we have given. Okay, then it will going to search for the BT02, whether in section 2 BT02 is there or not. If it is there, then only it will go, or else again it will throw an error. Okay, we'll just check it. Okay, I'm just saving it. I don't say, okay, that is the worst thing, what I'll do. Then it will not going to give the proper result. Okay, so I will just go here, go to the delivery, following functions, warehouse task. Okay, I am saying create here. Okay, just go down. It will go for the ST02. Okay, and which section it will go? Section 2 it will go. Okay, some bin it is taking because BT02 is already available here. Okay, so that is how it is operating. So I'll just show you the log. Okay, see, determination of the destination data. Okay, sequence 1 is found, so that ST01 and ST02 are available within sequence 1. First it is searching in the ST01 section 1 and bin type 02. It is searching whether it is there, not there. See here, storage type ST01, storage section SCC1, bin type BT02. Okay, so it is for the stock removal, leave about this. Okay, but it is not there. Okay, section storage type 1 pay. Okay, in this storage type 1, and it is searching for the SSI1. Okay, that is the section indicator. Within that, first it should go to the section 1, then it should choose the section 2. Both the things, section 1 and section 2, BT01 is not there, but only in BT section 1 is only available. In this BT01 is not there. BT02 it is searching, correct, but only the BT01 we have defined here. Okay, section 1 means BT01 we have defined here, but it is searching for BT02. Okay, it is searching for BT02. Where is that? Okay, it is searching for BT02. So next it go on to the storage type 2. Storage type 2, storage area section 2, and bin type BT02 it is searching now. Okay, so storage type ST02 HU allowed but not required, like that. Means it is about telling about the HU and all. It will going to check everything. Okay, HU, everything it will going to check, and it will going to see that. So then capacity it is checking. In this storage type, we are having enough capacity, like that. It is saying we are bringing 10 kgs, but free capacity is 50 kgs. Okay, if you're opening this bin, you will find that 50 kg is vacant. Okay, then this bin it is found, then it is going to put the material in this bin. Okay, storage ST02 and bin is this one, like that it is defining. Okay, this is how the message will going to show us, message log will going to show us. Okay, now what I will do here, okay, LS11, where is that? LS11. Okay, so I'll go here, execute this. For few, no, I'll going to make section 2. Okay, change section 2 and say okay. For this section 2, these bins only, I'll going to make BT02. Save it. Okay, 13 bins, that is changed. Now I will go back without saving this. Okay, now tell me which storage type it will go, which storage section it will go, and which bin type it will go.
ST01.
Okay.
And section 2.
Yeah.
BT02.
Exactly. Okay. It will search for the storage types first. Okay. In ST01 it will go. Within that we have storage section. Okay. Storage section 1 is there. Storage section 2 is there. But in storage section 1, we have only BT01. Okay. So that it will not going to find that, because in the material master we have said that. Okay. In the material master we have said that if it is going for the ST01, it should search for the SSI1. Within that, section 1 and section 2 are there, but it should go to BT02 like that we are defining. Okay, but in section 1 we have seen that only BT01 is there. BT02 is not available. In section 2 we have given, so it will search for some section 2. Okay, let us see. So here I'll say create here, go down. Okay, ST01 section 2 it is going. Got the idea? And it is taking the same bin. Okay, whatever the bin, because we have changed to what is that, section 2, no? So that is why it is taking the same bin. Okay, so this is how it is considering the bins. Okay, got this concept, how it will going to happen and all?
One quick question.
Yes, please ask.
Yeah, so we normally have fixed bin, next empty bin concept, and apart from that we are having this this selection option also. And at the same time, can you go to the material master?
Okay.
So in material master, even after mentioning this storage type data, over here also we do have fix on the right side.
Yes, correct.
So if we are having fixed bin strategies, which
no, it is not fixed bin strategy. It is not fixed bin strategy.
I'm just asking.
Okay.
So fixed bin, we do have the config, right?
Okay.
For the storage types.
Yes.
We can include in the config. It is going to this storage type and this storage section. This is going to be fixed one.
Yes.
Like if we are maintaining over there, then there is no use of this one. Am I right?
Fixed, that is completely a different topic. Fixed bin storage types. Okay, fixed storage types are another concept. Okay, where we're going to study it further. But the thing is that in the fixed bin concept, what will going to happen? We are bringing some mass material. Like let us consider if you are seeing some what is that big bazaars and all, somewhere else they are having the rice packets, but in some very big bins they have put the rice also. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Okay, if this particular rice type is there, that should go to this bin like that. They have defined there. Okay, so the bin size might be like some 50 or 100 kgs. Whatever the rice, that particular rice is there, that will go into that particular bin. Okay, so that people can check that in like loose product also they can buy it. Okay, they are the fixed bin concept. Or else sometimes we'll going to use it for some biscuits. Okay, let us consider Good Day biscuits they are having. Okay, in this means at the display they are having very few Good Day biscuits, but in the back end they may be having like thousands of packets. They'll just dump it in one particular bin. Okay, they'll just dump it. They might not store properly, means they'll just dump it, and from there they'll going to pick directly, or else they can maintain it in the HU. Okay, so like that we can have the fixed bin concepts as well. Okay, means this product is there, then it will go to this particular bin. Whenever replenishment will going to happen, replenishment I have already explained, but later on also we're going to see. Whenever replenishment will going to happen, the person will go directly. He will just put the hand, means he will going to find those products only. Got the idea? Okay, it is very easier for them, right? So for that, they means whichever the products they are doing it very frequently, the replenishment, for those they're going to provide the fixed bin concepts most of the time.
Okay, so if that is the case,
then it is not required. No, all these things are not required.
Okay, in that case, this section in type is not required.
Most of the time, we're not going to provide sections and bin types for that, because that is fixed bin, means everything we have fixed that whatever product is coming with that particular characters, it should go there. That's it. Okay. So we'll see that. Okay, definitely.
Lot of confusion is happening because of this config here.
Okay.
Because we do have fixed bin and we do have this kind of sorting and slotting also. Then why we are doing that and why we are doing this?
Yeah,
there is a lot of
that is what I said. Like, see,
okay. Now I got it.
Okay, then few products we can able to have the fixed bin, but most of the time they will going to go through this strategies only. Okay, because some individual materials they have to place in certain different sections and different bin types. Okay, they're going to make these strategies.
Okay, so in that depends on business.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, as I said, entire warehouse, it is all about the what is that their own perception. Okay, business, however it is telling, we have to do that. We cannot say, okay, we can give the suggestion, but it is completely on their decision. Okay, so whenever business is telling, we just have to obey that and we have to give it according to them. Okay. Okay then. So this is what we have done. Now what we will do, I'm going to give the BT01 only here. Okay, BT01 only, but in entire okay bin type. Okay, so BT01 is also there. What I'll do, I'll just change to BT02 everything. Storage bin. Oh, it is gone, I think. If you connect with the mobile network, this is the problem. Okay. Session slash CWM slash ls 11 1100 T01 execute. Okay, here I'll just select everything and I'll going to make it BT02. Okay, storage type BT02. Everything is BT02. Just save it. Okay. Next, go to the material master. Mat1. In that, this material I'm going to change. Okay, storage type. I'm what I have defined. If storage type 1 is there, section 1 is there, it should go to the BT02. I have said. Correct?
Sri, one quick question.
Yes.
So, this bin strategies we are maintaining in config, but who will be performing the mass changes? I mean, any business user who will be having access, they will be performing.
They will be having the access over here. Okay, anybody can change these things, but okay, if you are not having the access, okay, they're going to ask consultant to do this. Most of the time, they can change it. Okay, but they will not going to know about these things. Okay, recent past, I got one what is a change request over here. Very simple things. Okay, so they are brought the HUs, but HUs are here. We are not just considering the weight, right? Some volume is there, and bin, like see here, we have the meter also. Okay, like 1 meter, 2 meter, what is that, length, breadth, all these things are there. They want to change the volume. Okay, volume they want like 2.5 that meter cube was the volume earlier. They want to make it some 2.84, something like that. Okay, so what we have done, just we have changed it here, nothing we have done. Okay, they have given the bins. Okay, just we need to keep those bins here. Okay, where we need to keep the bins, go back, see here, bin data is there. Okay, in that, if you click on this arrow, no, you can put the multiple bin names here. So I have kept, means they have provided the Excel sheet, just they take them and copy over here. Okay, then we have executed here. In the mass change, we have just changed the volume, that's it. Okay, then they can able to keep the materials over there, like that it has happened. Okay, now.
Okay, but only the capacity, maximum volume is getting changed. In that case, value will also will get increased, or how it?
Which value? This weight?
Yeah.
No, if you are changing, then
Weight
only
will
increase.
remain same.
No, weight will remain same. Whatever you are changing, that only it will going to change, right?
No, that's fine.
Huh?
But we do have that bin capacity, right?
Yes.
For bin capacity, we will have only 10 or 20 pieces which can be included in that bin, or that depends on what kind of bin we have created and what are the information available capacity.
Okay.
So based on the capacity check only it will go. But
correct.
Right now, if we are increasing the capacity over here,
I'm increasing the volume, only volume, not the capacity. What is the maximum weight? I'm not increasing. See how it will going to happen. Let us consider I am bringing one iron box. Okay, iron block. iron block which is having around 40 kgs iron block is there. I'm bringing it here. Okay, whether it will going to fit in this or not.
No.
Iron 40 kgs iron box because
40
it is
kg. Okay, 40 kgs it will fit.
okay. So now I am bringing the same 40 kg iron box. I am packing it in one particular HU. HU is having 1.2 meter cube. Okay, that is the capacity of that HU. Okay, in 1.2 meter cube capacity, I am bringing that particular iron box. Whether it will going to fix or not, fit is within this or not.
No, in that case,
The volume is less here, right?
right.
So I want to make it 1.3 meter cube. Okay, and this 50 kg remains same because HU might be having the what is that weight of 1 kg or so. Okay, including HU also it can able to fit in this, right? Yeah, that is how. Just we are changing the volume over there. Any doubts?
So in support projects, we will be getting this kind of requirements.
Yeah, means it is a small requirement actually. Okay, so we can expect this kind of. Okay, I'll just save this. See what we have done. Okay, we have not changed anything. See, until this section 2 is there, until this section 2 is there, within this BT02 is there. Okay, section 2 is there, BT02 is there. And section 1 is there, BT02 is there. Section 1, from here it is the section 1 is starting. Okay, but here in the material master, we have defined if it is section indicator 1, it should find BT02. Okay, everywhere we have provided the BT02 only. Okay, go next. It will open. Okay, it will open. So go to the PIDI. Okay, now which is storage type, which section indicator, or which section and which bin type it will go? Tell me, or else just directly tell me which bin it will go here. In this bins, which bin it will go?
It will go to BT02 only, right?
Yes, correct. BT02 is there. Which section it will go?
Section 1.
Section 1 it will go, and storage type 1 it will go. So it should find this particular bin, right? We'll just check that. Okay, go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. I'll say create. You can check it here. Okay, so just check the, okay, 1 minute. Section 1 is there, correct? 212, got it?
Yeah.
Okay, that is the same bin, you are seeing it here. Section here it is starting 212, correct? So this is how it is finding the storage bin types. Okay, based upon the bin type also we can able to define where the actual product should go, like that. Okay, so 3 different search sequences are there. Okay, for the put away, only for put away. Okay, but for removal only 1 is there, but for put away 3 different search sequence we can able to provide. Now I am changing it to, I am changing all the bin types to BT01. Okay, sorry, let us consider BT02 only will be there. Okay, let it be BT02 only, but here I'm changing it to BT01. Okay, save it. Adopt data for storage type. Okay, yes, it is asking for the adopt data. I'm saying yes. Okay, then it will going to share. Okay, so I have not clicked the adopt now, so that is why it is asking. So product 1 it is saved. Okay, now tell me which bin, if I'm coming again, which bin it will go. Okay, whether any bins are belongs to BT01 here.
No.
Okay, so I'll just go back in this, go back. No.
So in
Again?
this case, we will not get any error. It will directly go to next bins.
Yes. If okay, so now if I'm saying create, which storage type it will choose?
First, it will check for ST02. If it is
No,
not
ST01 it will check. Okay, ST01 there is no bin type 1 is there. All are bin type 2 only. Okay, see here, all are bin type 2 only available in ST01. Correct? No.
Yes.
See, this is ST01. Sections are there, both sections are there, but BT01 is not there. Why BT01 it is required? Because we have defined it here. If it is storage type 1, BT01 should be there, like that we have defined it here. But there is no BT01. So it will go to search for ST02. Okay, we'll just check it. It will search for ST02 and section 2 it will go. That's it. Okay.
So how many sections and how many storage bin type we will be able to add over here?
Any number of bin types you can able to add here.
A lot of confusion is going to happen because of this config.
No, actually, whenever they are customer wants
This
that.
is the strategy. This is the strategy. What kind of strategy we have to put? That strategy they will choose.
No, why you are getting confused? I'm not getting. See, here simple thing I have defined. See, ST01 is there.
It is very simple, Sri Bhai. I totally understand. But here, if we are configuring in ST01 storage type 01, it has to go to fixed bin, and then they are adding these concepts also. Then fixed bin strategy is not going to work over here, and they should not use.
I have not yet discussed about the fixed bin strategy only. You forget about the fixed bin, no?
No, that's fine. What I'm trying to think of is if we are combining 2-3 scenarios in one sequence, then by default there will be some conflicts.
Okay, because see, I have just only told about this. See, if you go down here, replenishment, everything will going to come. Then how you shouldn't confuse over here. See, whatever we are teaching, just go through that. Okay, if you are thinking of the further things, then it will be a confusion for sure. If you know the EWM earlier a little bit also, how come it is coming like this? Like if you are thinking, then it is a confusion. Okay. It is simple strategy. See, first we are saying in ST01, it should search for the SSI1. In SS7, 2 sections are there, section 1 and section 2. Section 1, it will going to search first, then it will move for the section 2. That is how we have given the sequence over here. Then it is going for the BT01. If in this ST01, in section 1, if BT01 is there, then it will go to the BT01. If not is there, then in ST01, it will going for the section 2, BT01. If that is not there, then it will go to the ST02 because we have given here. Okay. So if we have not given ST02, then it will throw an error. Okay. Anyway, we have given this. That is why it is going here. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll change something. Okay. Now you have seen that it is going to the ST02. Correct? No? Sorry. ST02, it is going. Correct? No? Now I'll go back. We'll see the alternative bin concept, bin type concept. Okay. I'll just open a new session. Okay, here go to the SPRO, IMG, SCM EWM, extended warehouse management. Okay, goods receipt process, strategies, bin determination. Within that, alternate storage bin type sequence it is there. Okay, alternate storage bin type concept. Okay, what is this alternate storage bin? Okay, just execute this. Okay, if anything is there regarding us, just remove it. Nothing is there as of now. Say new entries. See here how I am giving 1100. This is my warehouse. ST01 is the storage type. Okay, ST01 is the storage type. Bin type. Okay, it is asking for first bin type. Means if this bin type is not there in the product. Okay, if this bin type is not in ST01, then it should go for ST02 like that. I'll say. See, now I have given only BT02 in the ST01. Correct? No. So I am telling in the product master, it should go to BT02, not BT01 in ST01. Correct? BT01 in ST01. Now what I am giving the alternative bin is, if BT01 is not there, let us consider if BT01 is not there, then I am saying it should go to BT02. This is the alternative bin. Okay. The person is bringing the product. Okay. The person is bringing the product. He is checking for the BT01. In the entire ST01, BT01 is not there. Correct? No? Then I am giving the alternative bin that If it is not there, then it should go to the BT02, like that I'm saying. Okay, I'll just save this. It is alternative bin capacity. Yeah, okay, bin concept. Okay, please don't confuse here again. I am bringing the product. Earlier, which bin it was going? Earlier, which bin it was going? ST02 it was selecting, correct? No? Now I will go to some following functions, warehouse task. I have saved it or not. I'll just check it. This one I have saved. Okay. Here I'll say create. Okay. If you go down, you can see ST01 it is going. Why it is ST01 is going? Because we have defined the alternative bin concept. If BT01 is not there, although I have provided in the material BT01 here, if BT01 is not there, I am giving the alternative bin concept that if it is not there, then go to the BT02, like that I'm saying. Then it will going to search for the BT02 and it will go. Okay. Is there any confusion here? Alternative. Alternately, I am giving some bin types here.
Yeah, Shri,
Yes.
one doubt. Actually, whatever you give in the material, it will take as a first priority.
Correct.
Right?
Exactly.
And after that, it will check the endless level.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. You are right. Is there any confusion again? Anything you require? Okay. So simple.
So how many that alternative storage bin type we can assign?
Anything, any number. Okay. It is not defined like only one you can assign. You can define anything.
Instead of BT01, we can search BT03, 4.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. It will be there. You can define any number. Okay. So this is how it is happening. See, if I have defined ST01 is there means BT01 instead of, okay, if BT01 is not there, then it should go to the BT02 I said. Then I'll say if BT01 is sorry, BT02 is not there, then it should go to the BT03. If BT03 is not there, then it should go to the BT04. Like that also, if I can able to define, okay, then it will go to the BT04 and it will take like that. Okay. So that is how we have given this particular concept. Okay. So it is about the complete things about the bin determination. Okay. Bin determination. Very important, but not very important, we can say. But however, all things are important only. If client wants this, then you have to do it like that. Okay. So these are the few things. Okay. In the strategies, the main important question is the steps of the strategies. Okay, what are the different steps they're going to use for the put away strategies? Okay, in the section search only they're going to ask, sorry, storage type search only they're going to ask most of the time. Okay, can anybody tell me what are the steps involved in the storage type search? Steps involved in storage type search. It is quick recap. Okay, it is quick recap what we are doing. In the storage type search, there are 5 steps. Okay. Okay, I'll just show that. So you should remember all these things. Okay, first we're going to do the sequence, then we're going to assign the storage types, then put away control indicator we're going to define. It is not mandatory, but if you want to define, we're going to define. Then specifying up the storage types are sequence, then what is that, optimizing. Okay, so these are the 5 steps. Here I'll show storage type search. Okay, see, these are the 5 steps. Okay, this is the define storage type search sequence. We have done it, SEQ1, SEQ2. We have assigning the storage type to storage type search sequence, that is SEQ1 is involving ST01 and ST02, SEQ2 is involving ST03 and ST04. Okay, and put away control indicator we have defined, put 1 and put 2. Put 1 we have assigned for the material 1, put 2 we have assigned for the material 2, right? And in the specify, this is important. Okay, again in the specify storage type search sequence, they're going to ask the question, what are the parameters which will going to define storage type, specify the storage type of search sequence? What are the different parameters are involved? There are 5 parameters again. Put away control indicator, warehouse process type, quantity classification, stock type, and party and title to dispose. Based upon all these things, we can able to do the specify storage type search. Okay, based on all these types, we can able to do the specify storage type search sequence.
Okay,
Within
but
this,
we have that put away rules over here, right?
Put away
If we
rules,
are
yeah.
define over here on the right side on the same screen,
Here, sequences.
right?
Here
No,
rules,
this is
okay.
sequence. Next to the sequence,
Yes,
we don't have any put away rules over here.
correct.
In case if we have some put away rules, then what will be the primary thing it will search? So as you said, if you come one step back,
Okay.
so first we are providing sequence, and
corner.
whether it is the ST01, ST02, ST03, we are going to include that in the sequence. I mean, in sequence 1, it will go for ST01 and ST02.
Correct.
And sequence 2, it will go for ST03 and ST04.
Correct.
And after that, we are including this bin type search. I mean, in the third step, we are including PED as well as different
five parameters are there. Yes.
Five parameters are there.
Correct.
Even after choosing these 5 parameters, then if we are going for this put away rules.
Okay.
So which one will be the primary one? As you said, you already mentioned storage type, it will search storage type indicator or put away rule, whatever is there on the storage type config. So that would be the primary one.
Actually, we have not defined the storage type right now. So in the storage type, we have not defined any section and bin type. Okay, only in storage type we have given the rule. That's it.
No, that's fine. But my question is, that is what my question. Actually, we have not provided right now. But if you are providing that and if you are providing this also, so this will be conflict. Am I right?
Correct. You are right.
We should not use that as well as this together. Same like we have contract as well as purchase info record.
Okay.
If you have contract, refer contract.
Correct.
If you have purchase info record, you don't include contract, you refer purchase info record so that the price will flow from purchase info record.
Yes, you are right.
If you are conflicting, I do have contract, I want to refer contract, but I want price that needs to be updated from purchase info record. That is not possible.
Correct.
So same way we are going to define over here also. We have multiple options, but we have to specifically inform them. So this is the strategy how it will work.
Correct.
For example, if we are including sequence 1, sequence
no, I
2,
got it. But this one, no, I have not checked it yet. Okay, so like for put one, if I'm in the storage type, I have defined 2. Okay, addition to existing stock. If I am giving next empty bin, what is going to happen? I really don't know. Okay, so we can able to see that. Okay, it is not a big deal. Okay, I'll just put empty bin here, then save it. Then we can check it. Okay, I'll save it. Okay, see, I have defined it.
So we have sequence 1 as well as we have the put away rules over here. In storage type, we have not included any put away rule.
No, I have included. No, put away rule is 2 over there in the storage type 1. That is the concept conflict. No, I have not checked it till now because there is no concept of I have not yet seen these things. Okay, so I have just defined whatever the means here only in the storage type only I have defined the rules. Then I have moved on. I didn't put anything in the search sequence. Okay, here ST01 if you are seeing, rule is 2 here. Without giving the rule, I cannot able to create the storage type. I have said it already. Okay. So this is the rule which I have given, like addition to existing stock I have given here. Okay, but in the what is that here I am defining not here. Here I am defining next empty bin. Okay, so we can check this, not an issue. Okay, but this one I have never done it. We'll check it. Okay, now we can just see this. Okay, I'll go to the PIDI. If okay, in LS11 I'll show which bin it should go. Okay, in LS11 I'll show you, or else in monitor we can see. Okay, I'll open the monitor now. /n/SEWM/monitor. Okay, SAP. No, it is a good question. That is correct.
श्री भाई आपको कोई ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं क्या? Sorry.
No, ऐसा क्वेश्चन तो आया नहीं.
का है ही नहीं दिनेश भाई, ये क्वेश्चन आपको करने का है. This is has to practice you. formula given by the Sri. Okay.
Okay,
So you have
see,
to practice on that. Yeah.
now
What
it was,
kind of
see,
practice you can do? You can experience in that.
yes, ये तो permutation combination है भाई, आपको बोल दिया था मैंने.
Permutation,
Okay,
yes, yes.
so you can do whatever you want in this. Okay, anything is possible in EWM. I can say that. If somebody getting the error and they are telling, oh, I am not getting this concept and not getting the answer, one thing, it is mistake of node. Okay, some node they're going to assign and they're going to complete it. That is first thing. Second thing, the system is always correct. We are wrong. That one we should remember. Okay, so it was searching for this bin earlier, but this is having the capacity of 50 kg. Yeah. Okay, in ST around 50 kg is coming. Okay, not an issue. But it was 20 kg only, right? Oh, we have given BT02. Sorry. Okay, we have given BT02. So 50 kg is coming. So here already weight is 4. It is already inside. Okay, but in the search sequence we have given next empty bin. Okay, but in storage type what I have given? I have given addition to existing stock. Am I right? We'll see. Okay, what it will going to see, which bin it will take, we'll see. If it is going to this bin, then it is getting next empty bin concept. Means whatever we have defined here, it is taking this. If it is going to this bin only, then it is addition to existing stock, so that whatever the storage type we have defined, that is it is taking, right?
Right.
We'll just check that. Okay, so I'll go.
Sri,
Yes,
okay, you are checking this.
we'll
After
just
that,
check
I'll-
and we'll later on we can discuss some other questions. Just a minute. See, simple things we will check this, not an issue, but you can also check all these things. Okay, it is going to ST. Okay, this one we have to see. It is going to ST01, 02, 01, 02. Oh, it is taken some different concept only, because see, both things it is not taken. Why? Tell me. Tell me why it is not
01,
taken
02.
both these things. It is taken
Because
this bin.
the
It is taken this bin. Why? Because it is searching for the section 1 first, then it is going for the BT02. Correct? No, section 1 is the first thing it is checking. Okay, I have to change all things as section 1 now. Then we can see that. Okay, so in LS11 I have to change all section 1. Okay, here only I think I can change. Let us see. Change storage bin, change storage. No, section we cannot able to change here. Okay, I'll open this LS11. Okay, LS11 is there. ST01. I'll make all the things as section 1. Execute, then save. No, it will not going to save. Will throw error. I have to come back first here. Everything. Change storage sections. Section 1. Okay, save this. All things are changed to section 1 now. Okay, 120 bins. Now we can check that. Okay, now go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Okay, say create. Okay, which storage type it is going? ST01, 02, 01. Okay, means it is going to this bin, means it is finding the next empty bin concept. Got the idea? Okay, that's it. Okay, it is new learning for me. Thanks for you. So most of the time we're going to just define it in the storage type. Why we have to define it in the storage type if you want to give over here? Sometimes it may require, that is why they have provided. That is correct, right? So if we are providing it here, then this is the prime importance it will be providing. Then it is going to do, means see the storage type. Okay, got the idea?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So I'll just put it no put away rule and I'll save it. Okay, if you are putting it, then if you are checking it back, it will go to the previous bin. Okay. then it will go for the this bin. Correct? No? 01, 01, 04 it will go. We can check this. So, okay. Create. See, 01, 01, 04 it is going. Okay. Okay. Yeah. What else? Somebody is asking the question.
Yes, Sri.
Yeah. Yeah, Jay.
This storage type search sequence
Mhm.
for stock removal.
Okay.
Removal means outbound delivery, right?
Correct. Yes.
Then you will go there. I don't know, but there is answer like we can include list of storage sections and list of storage bin types. This configuration is not done, right?
No, removal, in the removal only storage type will come. Okay. Storage section and bin will not going to come there.
Okay, and put away rules also not.
Yeah, it should be there. No, put away rule is must. But no, in the removal, put away rules will not going to come. Okay, but put away rules file putting only will going to define. If you see the goods issue, no, here I'll say goods issue. This will we'll going to study it later. Okay, see, specify stock removal rule first. What are this rule and all? I'm going to explain this. Then storage type search sequence. Yeah, yeah, we have to see it. Without going to see this strategy, how we'll going to understand the issuing concept. Okay.
Yes.
So there are the 4 pillars I said. No, so first we are just studying this. Okay. Main questions I'm telling within this, what are the different questions they may ask you, like that I'm telling. Okay. So this is one question, what are the different steps involved? And second is, in the specify storage steps as sequence, what are the parameters, on which parameters it is going to specify? Okay, that one they're going to ask.
Sri, my another question is like this.
Mhm.
Here we have discussed like removal,
Okay.
but for put away, what we can include for storage type search sequence?
No, it is for the put away only. No, we have discussed for the put away.
Yes, yes, but answer for removal is list of storage sections and storage bin types. But in case of put away, what will be the answer? Which we are including in storage type search sequence?
Storage type? This is for put away only we are defined. Put away means different, what is that? We have defined the section indicator and the bin determination in the next these sections. Okay.
Means same answer we can.
No, removal pay stock in the file removal, there is no storage section concept and bin concept is available.
Okay.
Only in put away we are having this 2 concept. Okay, put away will going to happen with 3 different search sequences. One is storage type, second storage section, then the bin determination. But put away, sorry, not put away. Removal is based upon only one thing, that is storage type search sequence. Okay, removal we'll going to see it later. Okay, right now just ask me the question until whatever we have covered. Any doubts here? No doubts. Okay. So
Sorry, one quick question.
Yeah, please ask.
So now in specify storage search sequence for put away, we have included on the 4th indicator no put away rule, right?
Yes.
I mean,
yeah,
put
correct.
away
Yeah.
rule is there.
Mhm.
Over here we are including.
Correct.
Can you go back to next step?
Next
Over
step,
there we
optimization.
are having, I mean, master data.
Master data.
Yeah.
In the
Warehouse
material master you want to
data.
go, or else
Yes.
storage type you want to go?
No, material master.
Okay. Okay.
So here in storage type data,
Mhm.
here also we have the fixed concept, right?
Bro, you don't confuse with this fixed concept.
No. One quick question.
Uh-huh.
So we have already included next fixed bin or next empty bin in the storage type sequence over
Okay.
there.
Okay.
And over here we have added multiple storage types, ST01, ST02 on the left of your screen.
Okay.
We have ST01, 02, 03, 04, 05.
Correct.
So we have 5 storage
Okay.
types available over here.
Yes.
And in the storage types,
Mhm.
now my question is,
Mm-hmm.
we have included next empty bin over there,
Okay.
and storage sequence is also been already set as sequence 1, SEQ1.
Okay.
So based on that, this strategy will work. This will work properly.
Correct.
But my question is,
Uh-huh.
if we are having multiple storage types,
Okay.
and by mistake, if they are including any fixed bin concept, I mean fixed this checkbox available.
Okay, 1
over
minute.
here.
1 minute. I'll tell you, this is recommended only. Okay, it is not a fixed bin concept. Fixed bin means one bin I'll going to define. Okay, and this is bin type. Okay, don't consider this is a bin. This is bin type. Okay, it might be having for some 100 of bins. They might be available with this bin type. Okay, what I'm telling, if I'm fixing this, okay, if I'm fixing this, it is applicable for all these bin types. Means there may be 100 bins. For all the bins, I am fixing this recommendation.
Okay, I totally got that. But what will be the primary key for which one this will primarily check? That is what my
Okay, you
question
just
is.
check this out. Okay, you only tell us. Okay, because we have checked it once. Okay, how it will going to take and all. In the put away rule and all, we have defined it. Okay, so and we have checked it. First, it is identifying the whatever the rule we have given. So that one it is taking. Then whatever the what is that in the storage type, whatever the rule we have given, it is taking the next one. Correct? No?
Right.
So you just check this and please let the class know. Okay, so that everybody can understand. Okay.
Sri,
Yes.
if we fix this
Mm-hmm.
bin type here in material master, then it will go for that particular one.
Bin type, yes, that is going for only that particular bin type. This is a recommended, I'm saying. If you're giving some alternative bin concept also, it will not going to take. So just check it out. So that is the important thing, right? Okay. Yeah, try it out. Okay, the questions are good, okay, but it is our practice we have to do in the practice session. Okay, so do so many changes here. Okay, we have given, okay, in the specify storage, where is the specify? Oh, it is gone. Okay. Okay, here, sorry, what you do, you give the put away rule, you give the warehouse process type, you give the stock type, you give the party entitled to dispose. Okay, all four you can give and check. Okay, in the optimization, you have to select proper tick marks and you have to check. Okay, you check it in different way. You check it in different way. Okay, first you check only for the stock type, then remove the stock type and only check for the put away and process indicator. How it is taking all those things, you just check it. No, everything you just give and you try to implement some different things in the optimization. Okay, and check it in the optimization, whatever the ticks you are doing, it will be considering that, right? So you just try to do first, you are giving the what is that stock type. Next, you are removing the stock type, then you are giving only the put away strategy and process warehouse process type. Then you are removing these two and you are just giving the party entitled dispose. Next, the stock type. Then you are giving the third sequence as put away and process type warehouse process type. Like that, you do the different things here. Okay, then check it out how it is going to take. Okay, so anyway, you have the system with you, you can do whatever you want, right? So just try it out once. Okay, and this quantity classification I have not yet defined. Tomorrow we're going to take about the quantity classification. Okay, important concept, because whenever you are coming with the quantity classification, okay, how like what is quantity classification? I have said quantity classification, we have discussed about this. What do you mean by quantity classification? Okay, we have the individual material. If I am bringing some carton box, the 10 materials will be there. If I am bringing some pallets, some 100 materials might be there in the pallet. Okay, so that is how we are classifying the quantity. Like carton box means that is equal to one carton equal to 10 inches. If it is a pallet, one pallet equal to 100 inches, like that. Okay, so like that, if we are bringing, how we can able to fit those particular things into a particular section, particular bin, we're going to see it in the tomorrow's class. Okay. So quantity classification we will be discussing tomorrow. As of now, any doubts here until this? So here I'll just change it to BT01 and we're going to remain as it is. Okay. So that it is easy to understand. Tomorrow we're going to see the quantity classification. Okay. So again, it is going there. I have to remove this. Okay, any doubts here? Okay, if further doubts are there, okay, so please do ask me, okay, whenever you have. So first practice it, okay. If something is not coming, then we can able to discuss about that, okay. So please practice until this, okay. So you have to make it fast, okay, because next, okay, so until put away, I have gone very slowly. Same concepts are there with the removal rule. There we cannot go this much slow, right? So we'll little hurry up, okay, because few people are really they require the means they want to move into EWM, right? So that is why we'll just little hurry up, but we will going to see thoroughly, okay. We're going to see it everything thoroughly and we're going to move it, okay. So as of now we have just discussed about the put away concepts, the strategies, okay. Strategies we're going to finish everything by tomorrow because the last thing is the quantity classification which we have seen here, okay. Here go back, here specify, here quantity classification is the vendor thing, quantity class, okay. So we're going to see it tomorrow and from next day after tomorrow we're going to see about the HU management, okay. This is the next concepts in the HU management. We're going to check it out, okay. So thanks everyone, okay. We're going to stop the class here, okay.